Well, there are two polylines in this design which are not aligned correctly to the base information. I'll select one of them now. That's the polyline that runs around what will be a paved area, or a concrete paved area. And if I zoom in here, can you see that there's a vertex of the polyline there that's not quite lined up with the underlying base grid? And the same applies over here when I pick the polyline that determines the grassed area. Can you see again there's an error there and an error up at the top? So if we pick both of these up, so there's quite a lot of editing that needs to happen. Now we're going to move these vertices to an intersection or an endpoint. So this is a really good opportunity to turn on OSnap. That's Object Snap Settings. We'll turn it on and set it to endpoint and intersection. And we'll OK that. Notice now down in the status line, Object Snap is now on. And that enables us, once the setting's done, we can really easily move things around. So I can just click on that vertex, and as I move near to the intersection or the end, I can just shift my polyline. So I can work my way up here, move that one over there. So that's an example of the use of what are called running OSnaps. They're on all the time that I'm working here, and because the operation is similar in all instances, the use of the OSnap helps speed up drafting. I'm in the habit of going back when I've finished that and saying clear all and turn Object Snap off, so the red highlight in the status line disappears. Now my polyline for the grassed area here and the polyline for what will be a small paved area now matches nicely.